Hey everyone, so I was sent this product for free for my personal review. This will be an unboxing as well as a first impressions because I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. I just took it out of the main packaging box, and this is what the packaging looks like once it's taken out of the main box. This is an all-in-one LED makeup mirror. It says that it has 21 LED lights and it says ABS plus glass. And the brand is Magicfly. What it says on the packaging. Okay, so this is it's in plenty of bubble wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. This looks like the base right here. This is it looks kind of like a goldish color. Somewhat like a rose gold almost. Okay. 3-panel LED lighted makeup mirror. Battery operated. 4 AAA not included. It says this lighted makeup mirror uses lifetime energy saving LED bulbs. Replacement bulbs are not required. What's in the box? Main mirror with 21 pieces, built-in LED lights, mirror base, and product instruction. It says how to assemble. You just basically clamp that bottom piece into this piece over here. I'll do that on camera. It says how to install the batteries. And let's see. When you do not have batteries, just connect the micro USB port to USB port by provided USB cable. The light will work. Okay, cool. It does come with micro SD cable. So if you don't have batteries, you can just plug it in, which is awesome. That's very, very awesome. It says push the on-off switch to the on position, then touch the touch sensor on front to turn on or turn off the lights. Touch the touch sensor for 3 seconds to adjust the light brightness. After use, always turn it off to the off position located at the bottom of the base of the unit. And then it also tells you how to clean it if you need to. It says clean mirror with a glass cleaner. Do not light until you are certain mirror is completely dry. Okay, so now let's set it up. I got the base right here, and I'm just gonna click it in place, and it just clicked in. This is what the product looks like. Let me come back a little bit with it, backing up. So it does have a little on-off switch on the back. Here's the battery compartment if you want to put the batteries in there, but I'm gonna hook it up with the cable that's provided. Okay. All right. So let me see this. Okay. So let me go ahead and get my little charger. So if you have a phone charger like this, you know, you could just take it out, and I'm gonna go ahead. You know what? I don't even have to do that. If you got a phone charger, I didn't even have to do all that. Let me just use my phone charger. Huh. So I'm gonna plug my phone charger in to the outlet over here. Plug that in, and then I'm gonna take the micro USB, turn it around, and you plug it in right here, right in that little slot. It'd be nice if you could like plug it in and like charge it up, and then like unplug it like when it gets to like a full charge, like a phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the on button. to the on position, and then it says, oh, okay. Let me adjust the focus. Hey YouTube fam. So the mirror does move up and down, as you can see. Moves all the way back that way. Okay, let's bring it back down. So I'm gonna go ahead and this little button right here, I assume is the on button. It's like a little circle right here. I'm gonna touch that. Oh. Let me turn the light off in the kitchen. That's bright. That's bright. I'm gonna take a peek at the instructions right quick because it said how to brighten it up even more. It says touch the touch sensor for 3 seconds to adjust the light brightness. So I'm gonna touch this for 3 seconds. Oh, okay, that's neat. So it goes from bright to dark. So I guess you can let your finger off of the button once you want it at whatever lightness that you want it at. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it all the way. This is the brightest it goes, and then this is the lowest it goes. And you can take your finger off in between whatever setting that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my kitchen light back on right quick. Okay, so it does come with this one right here in the middle is regular. These two right here are regular actually, and this one over here to the side is 3 times magnification. This one right here is 2 times magnification, and then it also comes with a little one right here which is 10 times magnification, which I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the package. It has like a little suction, 2 suction cups on the back, and on the instruction manual it showed that that was right here in this area. I'm bringing it up a little more. They had put it in this little area right here. Let's see. Hopefully I got that on there good. But this is how the light looks. You can adjust the sides, and it adjusts up and down. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light off really quickly because it's actually blinding me. Oh, okay, to turn it off, you just touch it. I tried to hold it down to turn it off. So that's my quick unboxing of that. Let me know what you guys think about this. It's a beauty mirror, makeup, whatever you want to use it for or do with it. I think I can definitely use this. Especially like when you're trying to like get really close and see details in your face. And then once you're ready to put it up, close both sides. Oh, let me take the mirror. You'll have to take this back off though, the little suction cup mirror. Okay, and then you can close it. So that's what the product looks like closed. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.